What if the appliance you bought to cook healthier is releasing toxic chemicals into your food? Most people have no idea that air fryer basket coatings can break down at high heat, leaching harmful substances directly onto their meals. PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, these are not just scary acronyms. They are real, documented health risks that millions of households are unknowingly exposed to daily. Today we are exposing the truth and revealing the top 4 non-toxic air fryers that are actually safe to cook with every single day. Here is the problem. Most air fryers use PTFE-based non-stick coatings, the same chemical family as Teflon. When heated above 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these coatings begin to degrade and off-gas. Studies link PFAS chemicals to hormone disruption, thyroid disease, and certain cancers. At 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature your air fryer hits on a regular Tuesday night, the risk is real and measurable. You bought an air fryer to eat healthier. But if the basket is coated in toxic materials, you are defeating the entire purpose. You and your family deserve far better than that. The good news? Non-toxic air fryers exist, and they perform exceptionally well. What you need to look for is PTFE-free, PFOA-free, and PFAS-free certifications. Some models use ceramic coatings, others use stainless steel baskets. The critical difference is knowing which brands have been independently verified, not just self-certified by the manufacturer. That is exactly what the team at airfryerguidance.com has spent hundreds of hours researching. They have tested options across every budget and use case. Today, we are sharing their top 4 picks so you can make a safe, informed choice immediately. First up, the Ninja with Air Crisp technology. This unit superheats air to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, surrounding food from every angle for a perfectly crispy finish without a single drop of oil. The 5QT non-stick basket fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. That is a serious family-sized capacity for everyday cooking. When selecting a non-toxic option, always look for a verified PTFE-free basket certification rather than relying on marketing language alone. The Air Crisp system delivers the crunch your family wants, without the chemical risk nobody should accept. This is a strong pick for daily household cooking. Next, the Cosori TurboBlaze. This model earns its name. The TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed, producing faster cook times and more even heat distribution than most competitors on the market. For non-toxic cooking, speed matters more than most people realize. Shorter cook times mean less prolonged heat exposure to the basket coating overall. The TurboBlaze is engineered for performance and safety-conscious households equally. If you cook daily and want fast results without putting your family's health at risk, this is a top contender. It balances speed, build quality, and verified safe materials in a single, well-designed unit. Pick 3 is the Cosori model, featuring a unique 5-fan speed system with precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That wide temperature range is a genuine game-changer for home cooks. Delicate foods like fish or pastries cook beautifully at lower temperatures. Crispy wings and roasted vegetables hit full blast without issue. The precision here means you are never overcooking and never pushing coatings beyond their safe operating threshold. Every dish comes out with ideal texture and even color. For health-focused cooks who want real versatility and verified safety in a single appliance, this model delivers both without any compromise whatsoever. Finally, the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven with a massive 26QT family-sized capacity. This is not just an air fryer. It combines 7 dedicated air fry modes, including fries, chops, and shrimp settings. The full accessory set includes a wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. Everything you need out of the box. For large families or serious meal preppers, this is the ultimate non-toxic cooking solution. More modes, more food at once, less chemical risk across every cook. If you are regularly feeding 4 or more people, this oven-style unit is the clear top pick at airfryerguidance.com. Why trust airfryerguidance.com? Because they do the work most reviewers skip entirely. Their team digs into material certifications, independent lab reports, and verified real-world user feedback, never just manufacturer claims or sponsored talking points. Their guides cover top-rated air fryers, healthy cooking tips, detailed comparisons, and product picks across every price range. They have built a growing community of health-conscious cooks who share recipes, tips, and honest experiences daily. This is not a faceless affiliate review site churning out generic content. It is a dedicated resource built by people who genuinely care about what ends up on your family's plate every single night. Do not cook another meal with a basket you cannot trust. The right non-toxic air fryer is out there, and finding it takes less than 5 minutes. Go to airfryerguidance.com right now. Browse their full, non-toxic air fryer guide, read side-by-side comparisons, and find the exact model that fits your kitchen, your budget, and your family size. Every pick is verified, unbiased, and updated for 2025. Drop your questions in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one. Hit subscribe for weekly air fryer reviews, healthy recipes, and real buying guides. Your healthiest meals start at airfryerguidance.com today.